Good morning, guys. Today's video is a concept that I thought about yesterday, and sorry, I just woke up, so if you're scared, that's how it looked like. I thought of this concept, no editing video, which means that as soon as I pick up the camera, I will just leave the whole video as it is, and I'm not gonna crop it or anything like that. So I am actually interested because I think that sometimes when you make a video, you start and then you say something wrong, you make a mistake, slip of the tongue or whatever, or just, I don't know, it's just awkward, and obviously you edit these videos out, but I don't want to do it that. So whenever I make a mistake, as I just probably did so many times, I'm gonna leave it in so that you see that not everything is how it seems. Okay. What I want to talk about, well, today, right now, is my Patreon. I decided to stop Patreon because it just started getting too much. Yeah, what do I want to say? I have 5 to 6 more months, or like 6 more months, I think, until my contract ends. And I have to finish up writing my thesis. I'm still kind of in the middle, not even in the middle, because I wrote only 1/3. I still have to analyze some data, and then I have to write the second 2 chapters that I have to write. So it's gonna be a lot of work, and I'm planning on doing everything until the end of December. That means that I have to be in gear whichever, like the fastest one, because I am not going to be able to do it in a normal pace. That means I have to work during weekends. I'm just going to have to, use my whole day for that, and I don't need any distractions, and anything aside from my work is currently a distraction. And then I'm also using my time to train myself for certain things, and what else? Yeah, because I'm not planning on continuing with the academia, so I need some different skills, and I need to see where I'm gonna go. Maybe I completely change my direction of where I want to go, what I want to do, but that's why I need a bit more time. And I was just thinking of things that I could eliminate, and YouTube doesn't take so much of my time if I don't have to translate my video into English, so from Serbian into English. That's why I haven't been translating in the last couple of months. But if it's in English and if I don't have to edit that much, then that's great. Videos on Patreon, even though they're very, very simple and basic, I have to edit them. Like, I have to, whatever I'm saying, I have to have a following, like a text that's going in parallel, or some pictures or something. Everything has to be kind of synchronized, and it takes a lot of time. Brainstorming takes a lot of time, and it's just there's not much demand for Serbian. At least not, people don't want to pay for it, which I understand. I also don't have that much money, so I don't want to pay for extra things if I can do it free or for free. So yeah, basically that's what's happening. So I'm gonna stop that, but I don't really know what I'm gonna do with YouTube because still I don't want to take so much time for YouTube as well. If I can do videos like these in Serbian or English that I don't have to translate, then I'm probably gonna do them. Wow, I've been talking for 3 minutes. So, I can talk a lot. That's what I noticed. Okay, guys, it's 12, almost 12 already. I'm doing home office today because I'm waiting for a package. Actually, it's a new desk. It's a cheap new desk that I need just so that I have a desk, because my old one is really tiny and I cannot put anything on it. So I'm waiting for that right now. DHL service is not really helpful because it's not really telling me when they're gonna arrive. So I'm just gonna be here the whole day. The bad side of home office is, do you even work ever? Like, I woke up, I ate my breakfast, and then I don't even know what I was doing. I was just like, I ate, and then I cleaned a bit, and then I prepared food for later, and I prepared tofu scramble, and I'm gonna switch the camera. Oh, I cannot switch the camera. I will insert another clip and then I will come back. Yeah, you probably can't really see much, but this is my vegan tofu scramble. Can I not focus? Okay, it's focused right now. Has anyone heard saying, like some other people saying vegan as vegan? I find it very entertaining. Yeah, so I ate vegan scramble. I'm still gonna continue eating it, and as I said, I really want to go to the store, but I can't because I'm waiting for a package. It's maybe gonna arrive, who knows, at 7 p.m. I don't really know. So that's what my life is right now. And of course I'm too lazy to work, so I'm just kind of avoiding everything. That means, because my conscience is not gonna allow me not to work today, that I'm probably gonna start working at 12 and work until 8 p.m. and that's what I do to myself every day. So another update, I just made, no, I didn't study or work at all. I just made pasta with poppy seeds and sugar. It is really simple actually, and I remember yesterday I talked to my mom and I said, I have all of these poppy seeds and I don't really know what to do with them. She's like, why don't you just make macaroni? And I'm like, oh, how? And she's like, just sugar, poppy seeds, and some sort of pasta. And I had only spaghetti, so this is what I used. Yeah, so I made it, and if you're from the Balkan area, I know that dish is from Hungary, or at least they have it in Hungary. So let me know if you've ever tried it, because I vaguely remember tasting it. I know that it's a thing, macarones macum, but it's so simple. It's just pasta, sugar, and poppy seeds. I don't know. Okay, so I got my table. It's right over here. Probably gonna need half an hour, maybe more, to assemble it. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it. I don't know how to do it, if I'm gonna need some tools. I don't know anything. My current table is this one. Even though it's really, really, really pretty, that's why I bought it, it's just not functional. And at that point, I didn't think that I was gonna work here from home. Sometimes it's just, you know, sorry, I'm getting messages. Sometimes I just have to work from home, so for example today. So yeah, this is gonna be, hopefully it's gonna help me and it's gonna speed up my process of writing my thesis. Okay, I'm done. I think it took me like half an hour, and mostly it was like cleaning, and when I assembled the table, or the desk actually, I made a mistake because they didn't label left and right for like the sides. And I had to take it apart and then do it again. That was like, it was actually super easy, but I just made that mistake. And yeah, that's it. And now you're gonna see my table. Damn it, my desk. I always make a mistake. My desk. Okay, so it's very simple, as you can see. Metal and some sort of imitation of the wood, but it basically fits my, you know, the color of the wood that I have over there. It's not perfect. It's a bit modern, but that's the only thing I could find. It was 36 euros on Amazon, and the delivery was for free, so that was my choice, and I think it's gonna work out pretty well. I just needed a bit more space. If you remember, this was my desk, and if you put this apart, like if you take this away, then it should be like a decent size, but still it's too tiny, so looks really nice but not practical. Yeah, and basically I started doing a bit of work, and now I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Oh, the light. Now I'm gonna go grocery shopping, and then I'm actually gonna continue working, because that's what I should have been doing the whole time. And then I'm gonna meet up with a friend. Probably gonna go and eat some pizza. And yeah, that's basically gonna be my day, and I'm gonna sign off right now. I think the vlog is too long anyway. And I'm kind of happy with this vlog because I didn't make too many mistakes. Because sometimes like I start saying something and then I just like stop and I have to repeat it. And it's really weird if you go over all the videos and you're like, you've just been repeating the same thing like 3 times until you get it perfect. So yeah, hopefully I didn't embarrass myself too much. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to do next one in Serbian. I hope you want to see that. Yeah, enjoy your day. Bye.